Meet Sally. Sally's a 95 Ford F250 that I bought with a blown head gasket. I just recently fixed her. Today, we're going to fix this door alignment. If you can tell, the door sack's really bad. So what we got to do is replace these door pin hinges. So I bought it with all the door panel already taken off, so we've got to fix that. It's in the back. But if you look here, you can see see how the bushings messed up? It's worn down to one side. That's what's causing it to sag. And then down here, same thing. That bushing's wore down. So we've got to drill the top of these pins out, drive the old pin through, put new bushings in, which I've got this bushing kit right here, Doorman. So one box comes with 2 pins, 4 bushings, and 4 C-clips. So we'll get those installed and see if we can't get this door back aligned.